Not ready, no tools defined. It means the system does not yet know your machine's tools. In this video, we will close that gap all the way to the green screen. We start in the NC Tool settings. In the Tools and Machine tab, click Upload VTDB, the file you exported from VCarve. The system reads the file. For every roll on the site, it looks for a tool of yours by diameter. A roll that needs 8 mm got your 8 mm drill, and the row is marked as matched. But sometimes you have two tools with the same diameter. Here, for the 15 mm CabiAI drill, open the list and you see both of them, one that sits on the spindle and one on the drill bank. You choose which one of them to work with, and the moment you choose, you set which machine slot this tool comes from. And notice the yellow stripes at the top. The same T number appears in the catalog twice, with two different diameters. That is legal, but before you produce, verify which one really sits in that slot on the machine. Went over all the rows? Click Confirm and Save. And all 21 tools went into your tool library. The first column, T, is the most important one. It is not just a number, it is the physical place of the tool on the machine. Now to the Live Toolpath tab. Here you see exactly what your jobs need. Green is defined, red is missing, yellow is partial. And this is the most important point of all, pocketing. You have no drill in the diameter of the hole. As long as your cutter is smaller than the hole, instead of the job being blocked, it goes inside and spins in a circle, out to the exact diameter. This checkbox is off by default, so turn it on. The system says, 1 tool missing out of 7. Layer 3 asks for a 3 mm diameter, and in my library, there is no 3 mm drill. There are two ways to solve it. The first way, you click Set Tool. A window opens. There you pick an existing tool from the library. That tool will carry out this layer. The second way, and this is the interesting one, you do have such a drill on the machine, but it was never in VCarve at all. Scroll to the end of the tool library. There is the manual add row. And you fill it in, the T number, its slot on the machine, after that the tool type, and then the diameter. And if you want, you can also give it a name. Leave the tolerance empty, unless it should match nearby diameters as well. Spindle speed, plunge rate, and feed rate. Click Add, and the new tool is in the library. And back to the red row, Set Tool. Pick the new tool, and Create Layer. And that is it. 0 missing, 7 defined, all the required tools are defined. And finally, the proof. For hardware at 20 and 50 millimeters, I have no drill at all. The system will mill them as a circular pocket with the 6 mm cutting tool. Now your files come out exactly the way your machine cuts.